The art rooms in the new middle school are one of a kind. First, they have a lot of natural lighting and tons of storage. And they even have their own kiln. Finally, unlike the previous 3 middle schools, there are tons of space for projects to be made and displayed.
One of the things that I love in particular is that all 3 art rooms connect. So me and my other 2 co-workers, Mrs. Capish and Mrs. Harrison, we collaborate a ton. So now it's really nice. We can just walk through the rooms and talk to each other about what's working, what's not, and it's a really great thing. When we were originally looking at all this furniture and able to kind of give our input as to what we liked, we have really realized that the kids love these higher tables that we have in the room. If you notice those, if ever you're up here, they can stand, they can move around, they have a lot more space. Sometimes with artwork, it's easier to stand and be able to work on your things, and I feel like it provides them more movement during their day.